All right, I got this Brute magnet here for magnet fishing. All right, here's the website, address and everything if you want to order one. But anyway, it comes in a box like this right here. There's a real case out here. Here's the case it comes in. It's a real heavy duty case. And this is what it comes inside here. They give you a pair of gloves which are cut resistant. Pretty heavy duty gloves for with the package. Instruction manual. Got some thread locker. Medium strength. Comes with this 65-foot rope, I believe. Also comes with this. That's a good kind. And it screws down. And then this big bad boy, this sucker's heavy. Double-sided magnet, 2,600 pounds, and you can hook it with one on the top, side, whichever one you want to do. It comes off real easy. That's what the thread locker's for. You'll fill whichever side you want. Put your thread locker in there. Put your bolt in there to whichever one you want. These things run about 142 to 2,600 pound one does on their website. I'm not affiliated with Brute at all. I actually got this magnet off of a guy I follow on YouTube, The Fisher, and if you get in his bio, he has a 10% discount if you add The Fisher into the checkout process there. But kind of gives you an idea of what all it comes with. And we'll be posting some videos taking this thing out to lakes. You see how strong it was right there. Lakes, creeks, rivers, whatever I can try to drag out of there. I don't know how much that thing weighs. That box probably weighs 10 pounds probably. But The Fisher on YouTube, he's the one that highly recommended these magnets, and he's got lots of videos on there that he's done with them, and looks like it does a good job. So I'm gonna try it out, and just wanted to give you a quick review on some upcoming videos coming. I bought one off Amazon for like 29 bucks, and it's half the size of this one. I'll show you what it looks like. Here's the difference in the size. This little one over here is 1,000 pounds, and this is 2,600 pounds. This one was $29. This was $140. So this one got off Amazon. I don't know if you can still read that. Muscular magnets. It does a pretty good job too. I mean, for what you pay for, it does all right. I pulled a lot of things out with it so far, but just to give you a size difference there. But anyway, I'll be posting some videos. We'll go do a little magnet fishing. We'll see how it goes. Just stay tuned.